In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Elementor from a page. Maybe you've inherited a site, or you want to switch a single page back to the default WordPress editor. The process is quick, and it only affects the page you choose, not your entire site or the Elementor plugin. Start by signing in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Pages, then select All Pages to see your list of content. Locate the page you want to change. To access the option we need, open it with Elementor by clicking Edit with Elementor under the page title. This might feel backwards, but it's the fastest route to safely remove Elementor from that specific page. Once the Elementor editor loads, look to the very bottom left corner of the screen for the small gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open the Page Settings panel. Inside this panel, you'll find a link that says Back to WordPress Editor. This command tells WordPress to detach this page from Elementor and return it to the standard editor. When you click Back to WordPress Editor, a confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully. Continuing will strip the Elementor design and layout from this page. Your text content may remain, but custom structures and styling created in Elementor won't carry over. If that matters for you, pause and copy any important text before you proceed. If you're ready, confirm by clicking Continue. You'll be taken back to the regular WordPress editor. To make the change permanent, click Update in the top right area of the editor. That saves the page in its non-Elementor state. From now on, this page will open in the default editor rather than Elementor, while the rest of your site remains unchanged. If you don't see the Back to WordPress Editor option, the page may already be using the default editor. And if the settings gear isn't visible, make sure you're in the main editor view and not inside a widget's editing panel. After you click Update, the page is saved without Elementor, and future edits will open in the normal WordPress editor. That's all there is to it. You've removed Elementor from a single page without affecting your entire site, and you've kept control over when and where you use the default editor. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your workflow and keep your pages consistent.